So, one of the most important things for having a garden is birds. Birds are very beneficial for your garden. They eat a lot of those nasty little pests that like to eat our food. So I have been working on ways to bring more birds. And with my trellises here for my blackberries and bougainvillea, I have some bird feeders hanging. One that I bought, one that I made, just off of a broken little Christmas ornament, but they actually love this feeder the most, even over the store-bought one. And I can see these from my window. So now the newest addition, this was completely free to make, is their little bird bath fountain. So this was a big plastic lid found in the trash by my husband. Stones, of course, are free. Sticks are free. And the little solar fountain was also free that I got from My Points. I'll put the link below. If anybody's interested, you can earn points from My Points and get free stuff. And then I got this one free from Amazon. I'll put the link for this too. This is the first time trying out one of these solar fountains. And here's the panel. It comes with a nice long cord. So I have the panel there on the top of the trellis. And I wanted it by their food so they can start seeing it and get used to it being here and feel comfortable to come down and take a dip or drink. And I wanted to kind of tuck it away in the bushes to help them feel a little protected, because birds like to feel safe. That's why they like these feeders. They can come and land on these branches and look around first before they come to eat. Yeah, so if all goes well, I plan on getting more of these and start putting them throughout. I want to get one for the center of the garden out there. That would be nice. And they're solar, so they don't cost anything. You just have to make sure it has water every couple days, clean it every now and then. There it is. Little by little, I am going to put some flowers, maybe in some pots, some little pots, to kind of hide the wood here, I'm thinking. Something to hide the wood. Some little flowers. Yeah, there it is. Well, thanks for watching. And if you're here, like the video so I know somebody's watching. Thank you. Bye.